All right, so we're gonna go do the trails, get to the hanging bridges, see what they got going on here at the Heliconias Rainforest Lodge. Oh, I didn't see that little color right here. We're gonna check out the hanging bridges anyway because it's still raining. But I said, hey, let's just go check out the bridges. So Alberto, what part of Costa Rica are we in again, please?
Go to the house.
I sent you the map.
Well, map says it's somewhere down here.
Did you get the map? So your search is here.
Is that one.
So I have my camera with me. We have our camera just in case. But we're not expecting anything, I don't think. But we're hoping for some good stuff. So our plan was to just kind of take off and just leave. But Beto was like, you know what? Let's just go check out the bridges. And so I'm like, hey, I'm cool with it. What happened? Never know. We might get the toady mop. So yeah, I'm glad I got my GoPro Hero10. I have my 4 with me, but I use that for my head mount. I like this one because I can see the frame and I love it. That's why I got it. Oh look, it's not raining right now. Could it be possible we get the toady mop before we leave? Let's see. Who knows? I think we're lost already. We didn't go nowhere. So we're at the reception.
I guess it's up there where we are.
No, because we're over here. No, because look, 7 to 8. That's where we would stay. So it's on the opposite side. So I think it's that way. No, bro, it's that way. Same way. It's the trail by the parking lot. You know that, right? I know the entrance is right there, bro. That's what I'm saying. Look. So we going all the way around. What? You're just going in a circle. I'm just saying the entrance. Right. You just went in a circle. What? But though. Look at that, huh? Look how beautiful that is. Oh, can you imagine if that ornate hawk eagle perched right there? Oh my gosh. Right now? So, got my binoculars just in case, got my camera just in case. But I'm gonna have to act fast because my camera's in my bag. Keeping it nice and covered. Need to burn off some of that typical rice and beans. And when we're here, we usually do like a lot of hiking and walking, but so far, none. Look, he just has to go in a circle. That's what I'm saying, there's a trail over here on the property near the entrance. That's why I said we just went in a circle. I'm just trying to tell this guy. Don't let me fool you. He's a Costa Rica champ. He knows this stuff, but...
Where do you see the trail?
It's over here.
Going up?
Yeah. When you see the people walking earlier, that's where they were going. That's why I said it's opposite side. So they probably said the trail near the entrance because there's a trail right here.
Okay, I see. Yes, over there.
Yeah.
I told you.
You didn't, you didn't tell me nothing. I'm telling you. I said we just got some extra calories, burned some extra calories walking in a circle.
Now let's go to Guanacaste.
You ready? What you want to do? Whew. We didn't go nowhere and I'm over here huffing and puffing. I don't know. I feel good about this. I feel kind of good. I feel kind of good. I don't know. That's a 12 by the inches, bro. Oh, maybe not. No? Do you see it? Oh, you tell me, oh, this dude here, yo. He told me. What do you see a sign for hanging trails, though? I still don't see a sign for hanging trails. Oh, this light ain't bad. This light is not bad, Beto. The R5 can do wonders in this light. We got a puddle ahead. And that's why I love these muck boots. Oh my gosh. Beto, what size is your laptop?
Huh?
What size is your laptop?
I don't know.
Oh, because
Size, like back.
oh, okay. It's probably small. Like I love my backpack. I have a low pro one, but it'd be kind of cool if I could slide a laptop in there. But because I bring my wires and stuff, I don't know if I can fit everything in there. Well, if I don't bring certain lenses, I brought a macro lens too, so.
Yeah.
But I realize I like how you slid your laptop in there. All right, so I had to get my camera out because I just feel like it's packed in my bag. I don't want to miss anything. So, nope, camera out. He said it's easier over there, or it's just that you get better photos over there?
Because these properties down at the Big Valley. Here, it's possible. According to the other guys over there, but you see how dark it was.
Right.
Last time he saw them at the first bridge.
Oh, where we're walking to now?
Yeah, we're doing a circle for the bridges.
Uh-huh.
And he said right at the first bridge at the beginning, crashed the owls and the button he saw.
Oh, okay.
I mean, the reports that you have, as you can see here, it's not exactly people photographs, it's Troy or heard it.
Yeah.
Report yesterday, the button never came out. I just heard them down there, so I reported.
Oh.
That happens a lot. These people, they just hear them, and that's it.
True. All right, so made it to the first hanging bridge. I think it's 3 here, right, Beto?
Huh?
It's three bridges here, right?
Yeah.
The first one. So, yes. Don't extract plants. So 8 people. Look at this. This thing is pretty bouncy. Uh-oh. Holy. Look at it. Whoa. This thing is like a rubber band. Holy snap. What's that noise? Hope I'm okay. Jeez. Alright. I think put my camera up. I think I'm gonna put my camera up and walk this shit. This shit's bouncy.
The camera's on. It's on.
Huh?
The camera's filming.
No, it's not filming. Yeah. Holy shit. Maybe I should hold on to something. Look at this. Why is my phone coming on? Okay. Oh. I should have. Put my camera up. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to put my camera up. What? I have to put my camera away. You gotta hold on. This shit's rickety. You gotta hold the railing. The hell? Alright, so I want to free my hands up for this camera because I'm not gonna lie. This thing is kind of like bouncy. So I was like, I want to be able to free my hand up. I got all my stuff over here. Yeah, I just have my binoculars off. Binocular strap and the lens cap is in there. Okay, let's go. Heliconias. See, now I'm ready because I can hold with my hand. I just feel better holding with my hand. This shit is wickedy. Look at that shit rocking, see? Holy shit. Look at this. Look at this. Look at Alberto Hill. He don't care. And so I only put the camera up because if I had to grab onto something, oh my gosh, don't look down. Don't look down, Michael. Holy. Look at this. Wow. 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 Oh my gosh, I gotta get some fun video of this. Oh my gosh, this thing's shaking. Holy shit. Don't look down, Michael. Holy shit. Alberto. Oh, holy shit. Yo, I'm almost there. You see this bridge shaking? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. Holy shit. That I'm coming. Yo. Yo, this is kind of scary. What the? Damn. Okay, I'm just gonna walk fast. I've never been on a hanging bridge like this. This is crazy. Whoa. Look at this. I've been on a bridge in Costa Rica like this, but it's not this high and it's not this long. Okay, it seems like once you get to the end, it starts to get a little more stable. Holy snap. Okay, so I actually paused because I wanted to make a video with my phone. I stood in the same place too. Look at this. Wow. But like I said, there was one Arenal Observatory Lodge. If you've ever been there in Costa Rica, they have one. Well, you would know, but this place called Arenal Observatory Lodge. That's where I got on the little bridge. Oh my gosh, when you look down, that shit is crazy. I'll let you look down. Oh, shit. Beto just don't care. Look at him, he's just chilling. It's just crazy. Holy. Oh, I don't think I want to do the second one. I'm done. Look at that shit. Look. Oh, can you guys see that? Holy crap. I'm gonna bleep out the swears earlier because it really was like throwing me off. You know what it is? Because it's rickety. It's bouncing. Holy shit. That dude was just walking like he don't have a care in the world. That's why I put my camera up. This is why, because there's no way I could have walked this without just using my hands. And I'm like, let me put my camera away while I walk on this bridge. Look at him, he don't care. Beto, you're a madman. He just don't care. He just walking. Ah, shit. Stop shaking the damn bridge. Look at this shit. Oh, he don't even care. I guess when you live in Costa Rica, you probably do this all the time. I'm almost to the end. Whoa. Let's walk fast. I'm gonna get off this bridge. Wow, look at that. How far I walked. Look how far down. Holy shit. Okay, he's off the bridge. I'm gonna walk faster now. I feel like when he was walking, he was shaking it too. Look how beautiful. I mean, wow, just looking at the rainforest from up here is amazing. Wow. Look at this. See, now it's, he was walking and it was shaking too. Wow. I don't want to come back this way if I can help it. Look at this, I'm almost there. Wow, it's so beautiful though. I think it's just it's because it's shaking. I think that's throwing me off. So when it shakes, it just, you know, the fear kicks in because it's like, why is it shaking? Holy cow. Okay, that's how far I came. I have about maybe 30 more feet to go. Alberto don't care, you're a madman. He was walking like he was walking in his house, just chilling. He didn't care. He wasn't looking at nothing. Matter of fact, he didn't even touch the railing. He was just sitting there just walking. Woo! Holy, that was intense. Look at that. I've never been on a hanging bridge like this. I was saying on the video that I did the one in our Observatory Lodge, but it's so small compared to this. Yep. It's like a damn, Jesus crackers. All right. Okay. That was cool. You should have seen Beto. Beto did not hold on not once. That was no problem for you, right, Beto? No. Okay. That was my first time on a bridge that high, a hanging bridge like that. He just walked through with no problem. He didn't even look at the damn railing. Interesting. Wow. What's up here? There's a cabin. Oh, a little cover. That shit was intense, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Yeah, so put the GoPro away because it's so hard to try to focus on birds and try to get this content if you have it mounted on my head. But so we was under the rain cover, and we've seen a sign that says something about hummingbirds, so it might be hummingbirds hiding close by. So camera's tucked in my poncho, knockers hanging to the side, Beto's up there. He said it's not far, so okay, well, let's go. I don't mind, we were just, because it's raining. He was wondering if they had a cover. Like we were just sitting under one a second ago. But those bridges are crazy. That was just one. But I heard the scale crested pygmy tyrant, but I didn't see it. I just gotta go. He's walking fast. Oh, it's only one in the trail. I'm usually hiking and stuff, but the past few days it's raining, so we didn't really do what we normally do. So today we're getting a bit of exercise. Which is good. Just wanted to make this video on the grounds here. What here was a hummingbird garden?
I want to see the map.
Hey, let's take my umbrella tucked under the poncho. The binoculars are fully waterproof, so I'm good. Of course, the GoPro's waterproof.
Yeah, this one is on the back.
You said what, Beto?
This is hanging the back in the frame.
Oh. Here comes the rain again. It's pouring. We're standing under this little cover here. Hey, Costa Rica rain.
Motherfucker.
Okay, man. We're gonna turn around because heads up. It is raining. Lots of rain. Yeah, I'm gonna pack my lens and head on back. Woo. It's raining. It's raining.
Nice. Colombia.
Oh, nice. Beautiful. There you go. That's my back of it?
Yep.
Alright, so I had to stop here, put my camera away. It's just raining too bad, and it had a little cover. So now we're gonna head. I think Beto wants to check out the other bridge. I don't. I think I had enough bridges. Alright. Yeah, because it's just too rainy, and of course I want to get some photos, but Alberto, send me that photo. I think it's a cool photo. You hear me?
Yeah.
Might use it for a thumbnail, YouTube. No. Oh, I gotta get a picture for YouTube. Oh, you got one on the bridge already, right? I want a wide angle one. Yes. So when we get back, I just need a picture. I have it on my phone.
Yeah.
I use that for my thumbnail for YouTube. We burn off some calories, you know what that means? Whiskey! So Beto,
Yeah.
Where exactly are we at? Like as far as like the town, well, the province?
We are in Bijagua. Bijagua belongs to Guanacaste. And yeah, we are in the rainforest. Still Caribbean slopes or Pacific, either one. It's like in the middle.
Okay.
About to cross the continental divide. Today we're moving there to the Pacific, but we're kind of in the middle.
Okay.
And the rainforest, that's for sure.
Yeah, so if you've watched my videos before, you know who that is. That is Alberto Guide, Costa Rica on Instagram and Facebook. But you might hear me call him Beto. So of course, as always, I'll put the link in the description to his information. So if you're ever in Costa Rica, you're looking to get around, to go hiking, and matter of fact, Beto, tell them what services you provide if they need to reach out to you.
I do anything. I do all kinds of activities, mostly birding and nature tours.
Yeah, birding is his specialty, but
I do night tours, sloth tours, birding tours, wildlife tours in general, and I drive. I also can be driving around the country, moving from hotels, but mostly doing tours. So
so like I said, his specialty, and I said before, his specialty is like, you know, birding.
And I do the nature photography as well.
Yeah. Oh, and yeah, check out his work on Instagram and Facebook. Like I said, Alberto_guide_CR. That's his handle on Instagram and Facebook. All that stuff will be in the description. But yeah, great photographer. But like I said, you know, if you're looking to get around and you want transportation, just kind of go to like places like the Hanging Bridges, go see volcanoes. He can definitely take you there.
Landscape.
Beach. If you like photography, landscape photography. But birding, if you're a birder and you want to come see the birds and go to great feeders, or even just go look for certain birds, if you're an experienced birder and you're like, hey, I want to go look for certain birds, and you want to go to certain areas, he will hike with you. As you see, we're hiking now. So today we was going to do some birding, but because of the rain, we just decided to just go check out the grounds here at Heliconias Rainforest Lodge, check out the bridges. So I'm just doing this for YouTube, and Beto's a hiker too, so we just hike, check it out. But I want to let you know, like, if you're looking to do stuff like this, go check out volcanoes and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so you can hit them up in the link below. And yeah, so this is who you see me hang with all the time. Met him as a guide, became my friend, and this is what we do. So I always try to make sure I give him a plug. He's always starting my videos, so I have to let people know who he is. Great guy, bilingual, as you can tell. So, Costa Rica, born and raised.
Yes.
Pura vida. I was just about to say it before you said it. Let's see your bag, let me see. Pura vida. All right, so yeah, so this is a different video. Again, I'm just hiking. It almost turned into a bird video because we heard some birds, but we're good. We're just checking out the grounds. Yeah, so now the sun's coming out. It's still raining. You know, just being in nature is just so peaceful. Like, it just felt like a sense of instant serenity when you're inside nature. You feel like you're left alone. No one's bothering you. You don't see all these buildings and cars and noise. Even in the rain, it's so peaceful. Even in the rain. Even in the rain. Beto's on his phone with some clients right now. Let's see. This is great weather for frogs though, huh? Might find some frog. Let me see. Let me look over here. I just thought about that. Oh, and I have my mackerels with me too. Hey. So I put my camera away because it just was too much coming down. Oh, I can imagine now if the light with no rain in this forest with a good light, make for some great photos. Look at that. The light's coming through now. This would be perfect. Maybe to stop on the way out, on our way back out. But in the meantime, just passing through. So you're gonna try to cross all 3 bridges? That's what you said?
This is where you sleep. So we're taking this one, that's the reception.
Oh. I thought, okay. I thought we had to go back and cross the bridge we crossed over though. No? All right. I don't think Beto knows where he's going. That is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Hope this GoPro is doing justice. Look how pretty that is. Wow. So beautiful. I'll catch up with Alberto. Alberto! This is like a scene out of Jurassic Park, man. Just look. Look at that. It's like any moment, the dinosaurs gonna pop up. Wow. Nature, man. You gotta love it. I'm gonna have to change this battery soon. Oh, another bridge, huh? I was like, it looked like a scene out of Jurassic Park, man. That's incredible. Over here when we just came down the stairs. All right, another bridge. Here we go. Let's see. Look how Beto walks this bridge. He don't care. Huh? Very, what? Why you say that? There's a what in the middle? A tree?
It's hanging by the tree. If we fall, we fall.
Holy shit. Stop. This guy. I just seen a bird over there, right? I don't know what it was, but it flew when I was coming down the stairs. Look at this piece. All right, guys. Let's go.
Maybe we should go eat at that restaurant again.
Me too. I was thinking the same thing. That's why I said, what time is it? We might as well eat there, then we get on the road, I guess, right? Look at this. Okay, I think I'm good now. I did one bridge. So, huh? Why not? Lightning? Holy shit, let's get off this bridge. He tells me don't touch the wire. Look at that, you can see down there now. Woo! Look at that.
We're on the tree, so we can die. The trees that crush lightning.
Oh my gosh. You hear this dude talking about, look how fast I'm walking. Let's go off this goddamn bridge. Ooh. Beto, you got to move faster, brother. I'm coming through. I do not want to stand still. Holy shit. I don't know, this one was a little bit easier. Even though it's higher. Oh shit. Wait a minute, we're stuck? The heck is this? Holy shit, it's on a tree. That's what you were saying. Oh, holy. This is on a tree. Oh, huh? Wow. All right, so that was it on the bridge. It's 3 bridges. And once I got to the second one, I was fine. The first one, you're like, holy S-H-I-T. Wow. All right. That's just something. Oh, he's taking a photo. Selfie. So this is the loop. You head back to the reception area. We already checked out. We just want to check out the grounds. Somebody's walking in. If you've never been to Costa Rica and check out the rainforest, you have to go. It's a great experience. Yeah, man, I can think about that restaurant again. I was thinking the same thing. That's why I asked what time it was. I was thinking the same thing, like, maybe we can go there for lunch before we leave. Oh, man. All right, so it started raining again, but when it stopped, I took out my camera because the light was good, it was bright. And I said, okay, let me take my camera out. When I was photographing a little area back there, I seen a bird. So I stopped. What are these? What is this fruit? But yeah, but that's okay. And then I seen a white-throated thrush, and all of a sudden when we were photographing the thrush, the scaly crested pygmy tyrant made a noise, and I'm like, oh wow! But I only just seen it move. I didn't really see it at all. So, oh well. All right, so I had to stop here, put my camera away. The rain just started coming down again. So we're out of here. I'll finish. Look at this tree. Finish making my YouTube video. Yeah, so wow. I thought I was gonna be close to my bird. Oh shit, my bag not covered. Hold on. I didn't have my bag covered. Okay, it's covered now. Okay, I'm good to go now. Oh yeah, too much rain. I'm gonna head back. This is why I like these muck boots. Look at it. And they're comfortable too. Great for a nice hike, especially in the rainforest where it's muddy and rainy. Feet stay dry, yet comfortable. So heading back to Alberto when I head. Yeah, so rain happens. Rain happens. This is nature. What are you gonna do? Cool little walk though. We got to burn off some calories. Always good to get some exercise. And that's what I looked at it as. We want to check it out anyway. We never walked the grounds. The whole purpose when I come in here was to look for those certain birds on the grounds and through the trails. But so I did a little hike, check out the bridges. And those bridges, oh my gosh. The first one was like kind of nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie. And then as I did the second one, I was like, okay. And then the third one was like whatever. But you're still like standing high on the bridge, and it's still kind of crazy to look down. We're back. At the reception. That was that. Pretty cool. Nice little loop. Now the rain stops. Seems to come out. Now I want to stop. Should I have lunch? Alright, so that was that was the hanging bridges here. Here at the Heliconias Rainforest Lodge. So we've checked out already. Now it's just time to go get some grub.
Something in here?
No. get some food, and that's it. All right, that was cool. Well, that was that. Hope you guys liked that little hike. Something different. Look at that. Now that it's clear, you can see over here. Yeah, look at that. Pretty. Alright, so hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and stay tuned for some more. All right, later.